Let's be honest, our hands can give the game away every time. You can do everything you want for your face, but if your hands look dry, pigmented, and yes, that dreaded word, crepey, they'll age you faster than your wrinkles ever will. Today, I'm sharing an updated protocol to reverse the signs of aging hands. Can you imagine? We're tackling pigmentation, thinning skin, and that crepey texture using super smart, targeted, and super affordable products. And the best part, you'll be able to do this in 5 minutes each night. Let's dive in. So why do our hands age so quickly? This is the deal. The skin on your hands is thinner. It has fewer oil glands and it's exposed to everything. Think about it. Sunlight, hand washing, raising children, gardening, cleaning, general wear and tear. And if you work with your hands, such as a hairdresser, or you're in a situation where your hands are out in the open all the time, even driving, that's why your hands are often the first to show the signs of aging. But just like your face, your hands can be transformed, I promise you, with my little ritual. This is your new evening routine and it's shockingly effective. Step 1. We are going to fade pigmentation. Yes, those age spots, I have them too, but mine, for my age, I'm 56, don't look half bad. I think you'll agree, and I'm not boasting there. My hands don't look bad, and this is why. I use an incredible topical treatment. Now, I use 2, but today I'm talking about the most affordable options, and it's this. This is Topicals Faded. If I'm not using this, I'm using this. This is alpha-arbutin. I'm going to show you how to use them and then I'm going to explain what they do. Now, how these work is this. They reduce the sunspots, uneven tone, and that mottled look that we get as we get older. And simply put, if you use these consistently, you are going to inhibit the process of age spots forming. And those that are already there, they're going to start to fade. This is how you use them. Taking your faded, you're going to apply a small amount onto the back of your hands. You're then going to rub it in. Now, just a heads up, it does whiff. Yeah, it's got a little bit of an odor, but nothing terrible. You're not going to stink your house out. It is the actives that are in it. It's got tranexamic acid, it's got niacinamide. It has these actives that are going to reduce your pigmentation. I mean, that's what it does. You're going to do both hands. Obviously, remember your fingers as well. Now, you can double layer. You can go back in with the alpha-arbutin. I do love it. But if you're sensitive to this, the faded, just use the alpha-arbutin. Alpha-arbutin has been proven to reduce pigmentation. Don't worry, I'm going to link all of this for you below. Now you can double layer, so you could add a couple of drops of the alpha-arbutin on top of your faded, absolutely no problem, because we are taking care of our hands, ladies. We are going to create a beautiful ritual for ourselves when we are headed to bed. Now on to step 2. Collagen boost. We want to boost our collagen with antioxidants and we want to make sure that we're protecting our skin. So what we're going to use is vitamin C, vitamin E and ferulic acid serum. Now, why does this work? Well, it helps brighten the skin, fight free radical damage and supports collagen production. Because remember, the biggest part of why we age is the decline in our collagen production. So taking your vitamin C, vitamin E and ferulic acid, we're going to apply a couple of drops of that on top of our lovely little concoction that we've created. Rub it in. Obviously, you can go as far down your wrists as you want, but we're focusing on the hands. Once that's absorbed, you've got that lovely, gorgeous collagen boosting products all ready to work for you overnight. Step 3. Next, we're going to use something that you have seen on my channel before. I love it. It is this. It is the Advanced Clinicals Retinol Cream. It is a fantastic advanced firming cream. It's a salon staple. It's a spa staple. It says on here it's a spa size. It's a big one and it's so affordable. This can be used all over your body, but let's talk about hands. So we're going to take a good pump of that onto our hands. Now this is thick, it's hydrating, it's packed with collagen, and this is the best part. It's got aloe vera, chamomile and green tea. Gorgeous natural ingredients that are going to make your hands feel beautiful. Get that in, rub it on, both hands obviously. I absolutely love it. It's perfect for smoothing everywhere. Now our next step, final step, is we're going to lock all those fabulous ingredients in with Sally's favourite, your favourite, castor oil. Yes, we're going to get the castor oil back out of the cupboard and we're going to use it for our nighttime hand rejuvenation routine. What we're going to do is just get a couple of drops. Now, a couple of drops is all you're going to need, and then pop that on to the backs and the palms of your hand. Why not? Let's give it the gorgeous luxury that our hands deserve. Get it on. Now, don't worry about rubbing castor oil in. It's a thick, beautiful, natural ingredient. And it's loaded with fatty acids to lock everything in. Now, once you've got your castor oil on, we don't want to be touching anything. We're going to pop our nighttime gloves on. Yes, we are. We're going to look after ourselves, ladies and gents. We're going to get some lovely either cotton or bamboo gloves. I love these because who doesn't love a scroll when we're in bed? And they've got these very cool little smart pads. So you're going to pop your gloves on and you are going to sleep with your gloves on overnight. That's it. Literally, that is my secret sauce to fabulous anti-aging routine for your hands. So let me explain why this works. This combo works because it layers the right actives in the right order. I do get asked quite a lot about actives and the order that they should be placed on the skin, and it is important because if done incorrectly, one's going to knock out the other. Pigment correctors to lighten spots, they go on first. Antioxidants to protect and repair. Retinol to rebuild the skin structure, and castor oil to seal in the hydration and reduce crepiness. And the gloves, well, they act like a little mask, like a face mask for your hands. You'll see and feel the difference by morning, I promise you. Now remember, prevention is key, so you must protect those results that you're working hard to get by using some form of SPF on your hands, especially if you are in bright sunlight and even if you're driving. It's incredible how much UV gets through that windscreen. Reapply your sunscreen after washing your hands, and if you're doing any gardening, housework or going about. Think about wearing gloves when you have your hands in hot water and gardening. I know it's boring, but it works. So how soon are you going to see results? 1 to 2 weeks. Your hands are going to feel hydrated and soft. By week 3 and 4, your dark spots are going to start to fade and your tone is going to look more even. And that crepey looking skin, you know, the bounce that we lost, that's coming back. Firmer skin, fewer lines, and a noticeable, healthy, youthful glow. This is a transformation you're going to see as long as you're consistent. Now, remember, your hands are one of the most beautiful parts of you. Let them reflect just how fabulous you are. And remember your nails. Remember to make sure you take care of your nails, ladies. Now, I've created a free download PDF with these exact instructions with the products for you. It's completely free. Just click the link in the description box below and the first comment. And remember to subscribe. Something like 60% of you watch my videos every single week, but you're not subscribed. You're missing out. Remember to subscribe, share with your friends. This video is for you. It's how to tackle crepey skin on your arms, knees, body, wherever you need it. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.